Welcome back guys, hope you're all doing great. And today in this session I'm going to show you how to use the Firebase authentication like the Gmail and the GitHub authentication with the proper backend token validation system. And I'm going to show you completely build this from the ground. Okay, so if you click this sign in, so that will take this pop-up window and you can use your Gmail to log in with it, and that will be logged in, and that will be redirected to the home screen. And even if you refresh the home screen, that will be or it will check there is any authentication changes or not by using the on auth state changed. That using that method, it will check is there any changes or not, if and it will try to send that token to the backend and it will validate it, and it will returns back the data, and that will be stored in our context provider, and it will be shared throughout our child component so that I can access this throughout the child component. This is the GitHub, like using the Firebase Google sign-in. You can see it's showing google.com, and if I log it out, and it will be returned back to the home login screen. And if I click login again by using GitHub, that will open this time GitHub profile, and that will actually let me sign out with my GitHub. So GitHub, because it's by default it is logged in with my GitHub profile, so let me sign it out, and let me sign it out from here. This time if I click sign in, and that will ask me to sign in with my GitHub profile. Click sign in, and if you are authorizing it for first time, it will ask you to use the authorize. If you enable the authorize it, and you can see it using the GitHub login method right now. So both are using the token validation, and it's validated by using our backend API over here. We do have our server, and with our custom backend API like this, we do have our custom server API, and we are validating our token just by using this admin auth template and everything. So I'm just going to show you how to build and validate the token provided by your GitHub and the Google, and use how to store the data in your context provider, and we are going to build this together completely from the ground. I hope you guys are excited, so I don't want to waste your time, so let's jump into the video straight away.